quiz. Ya sabemos, ¿no? We know this one. We know this one, right? We know this one. This one is pretty simple, right? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Two people, come on. Aye, all right, next. Here are the positions. All right, as usual, right? As usual. Next one. I'm gonna give you like 15 seconds to answer because we know the answers to these ones. We know the answers. We know the answers already, right? Somebody's not answering. All right, 21. Beautiful. Man, Joe Parrado. All right, in third position already. Richie Crack in fifth position. And Lunita, as usual, in the first. But Majo's really close. Majo's really, really close. All right. Who has the fastest finger? Man, okay, you guys are fast. All right. And this is the position, Maria Jose on top. Everybody went up a little bit. Everybody went up a little bit. All right, pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Calculate f of 3. Did you guys remember the answer? Okay. That was like 3 seconds. All right. And these are the results. Everybody in the same position. All right. Number 5. I think we were in number 9, right? Or something like that. What is this? What is this thing? What is this thing over here? We know that. We know that, right? We remember, right? We remember. All right. Pretty good. Pretty good. Juan Diego is in a streak with 5 correct answers. Pretty good, Juan Diego. All right. We have these positions and going up, Carlos and Maria Andrea. All right. Emma Mogollon. All right, Emma. Pretty good. Next one. Next one. As soon as possible. Which formula? Which one? Do you guys remember, right? Do you guys remember? Do you guys remember? Do you guys know the answer to this? Okay. Everybody got it right. Correct. Coming up, Carlos Isaza. Oof. Maria Andrea on fire. Pretty good. Next one. When the line is increasing, the slope is... We know the answer. We remember. We already saw this question, right? We remember. All right. And here are the new positions. Carlos Isaza. Looks to be that Carlos is the fastest finger in the class. Look at that. All right. Next one. We know this question as well, right? Find the slope of the line. We know this question. We did it already. We did it. We did it already. You guys remember, right? You remember. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. And coming up, Majo in first position. Look at that. I think this is the last question we did, right? This is the general equation of... Okay. All right. All right. This is the last question, right? 21. Beautiful. So these are the positions now. These are the positions. Majo in number 1. Carlos Isaza in number 2. Maria Andrea in number 3. Sara Galvez in number 4. And Juan Diego in number 5. All right. I think, I don't know, I don't remember for sure, but I think from now on, every single question is new, right? I don't know, but let's see. And next. B represents the... What is B representing here? What is B representing? I don't know. The slope, the rise, the run, the y-intercept. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. 7 people said the slope, and you guys will be wrong because the slope is the m. Remember? M is the slope. Okay. Here are the new positions. This is where being fast is no longer enough. This is where you now need to know how to answer these questions. In number 1, we have Majo strong in the first position. In the second position, we have a Carlos Isaza. Sara Galvez going up for number 3. Maria Andrea staying strong in number 4, and Emma Mogollon going up in number 5. You guys ready for the next one? Here it comes. A horizontal line has a slope of... What is the slope of that line? Who knows? I don't. No, I do not. Okay, we have 17 people saying the slope is 0, and you guys will be correct. Remember, when the line is horizontal, the slope is 0. There's no inclination, so the slope is 0, right? Beautiful. And these are the new positions. We have Majo staying strong in the first position, really close. Carlos Isaza with the second position. Maria Andrea going up for the third. Sara Galvez staying strong with the fourth position, as well as Maria Emma Mogollon. All right. Next question. You guys ready? A vertical line has a slope of... What is the line? How did you find the slope? What is the slope there? -2. Has to be -2. Well, no. It is actually unidentified. 0, remember, we just saw it. It cannot be 0 because the line was horizontal. And I'm showing you a line vertical. So, of course, the slope has to change. If it has the same slope, it was the same line, right? But no. So it was not 0. It is not -2 because it doesn't matter where is the intersect. What matters is that this line is so steep that we cannot calculate the slope. The slope is unidentified. Congratulations to the 11 people. Let's see the positions now. All right, we have Majo in the first position, followed really close by Carlos Isaza in the second position. Sara Galvez going up in the third. Maria Andrea in the fourth. And Joe Parrado Gigi on the fifth position. All right. You guys ready for the next one? Here it comes. Question 13 of 19. When two lines are parallel, what happens to the slopes? The slopes are what? The slopes are what, guys? Huh? Are the slopes positive? Are the slopes opposite? Are the slopes equal? Or are the slopes friends? maybe the slopes are friends, you know? Okay. 15. The slopes were equal. Sorry, the slopes were equal. That is what happens when the lines are parallel. Yes. All right, Carlos Isaza snatching the first position out of Maria Jose. Majo in number 2, Sara Galvez in number 3, Maria Andrea in number 4, and Joe Parrado Gigi in number 5. Let's continue with the next one. Question 14 of 19, meaning we have 5 more questions to go. If two lines are perpendicular, we can say what? What can we say? What can we say? What? What happens? What happens here? What happens here? If the slopes are perpendicular, what happens here? Beautiful. I was expecting this question because some of you, in this case 16 of you, are going to say, well, the slopes are opposite, of course. And no. Opposite in mathematics means you put a negative. You change the sign. If it was negative, you make it positive. If it was positive, you make it negative. And the slopes are not only opposite. The slopes are also, the numerator goes down and the denominator goes up. So the slopes are not only opposite. They are something more. But what we can say, though, is what one person said. The multiplication of the slopes is -1. M1 times M2 equals -1. That is what we can say. That is for sure. Now, M1 equals 90. Of course, some of you just said perpendicular. That is 90. Let's press red. Here it goes. The positions. You kidding me? Are you joking now? Are you joking now? Nobody get a point? Nobody get a point now? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right, next question. This is a collection of two or more equations. What is that? What is that? A collection of two or more equations. What is that? What is that thing over there? That drawing? That is a system of equations. It's really good, guys. Pretty good. Pretty good. A system of equations. And these are the positions. Everybody staying in the exact same position. Okay. All right, let's go with the next one. Question 16. The graphs intersect at exactly one point. That means the system is... What can we say about the system, guys? When there is a solution, we can say that the system is consistent. Look at the question, guys. This happens to you a lot. The question is not A. The answer is not 0, -2. I'm not asking for the answer. I'm giving you the answer already. I'm not asking for the answer. Look at the question. The question says, the graphs intersect at exactly one point. The system is consistent. All right. Let's see if the positions changed at all. Okay, we have Carlos Isasa in number 1, Majo in number 2, Sara Galvez in number 3, Sara Jimenez going up a lot in number 4, and Maria Andrea staying in number 5. Beautiful, guys. Question 17 of 19, meaning we have these and 2 more questions and we are done. The graphs are parallel lines. That means the system is... What is the system? All right, the system is inconsistent. When the lines intersect, there is a solution. The system is consistent. When the lines don't intersect, there is no solution. The system is inconsistent. Pretty good, guys. That means number 1, the first position goes for Majo. Second position, Carlos Isasa. Number 3 for Maria Andrea. Number 4 for Richie El Crack. And Palma goes in number 5. Everybody got it? No, just almost everybody went up at least one position. All right, pretty good. Number 18 of 19 questions. What happens when the graphs are the same line? What happens there? The system is what? What can we say about the system, guys? Huh? I don't know. Do you guys know? I don't know. Man, I have no idea. The system is optional. No, the system is not optional. You have to do it. All right. The lines have the same slope. Yes. For the people who said red, yes, the lines have the same slope. Yes. But I'm not asking for the slopes. Look at the question. I'm asking for the system. The system that have the same slope? No. The system is dependent. Again, we have 3 key words there. Consistent, inconsistent, dependent. Beautiful stuff. And here are the positions. Carlos Isasa taking back the first position, saying, no, 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 you are not taking the first position from me. Hell no. All right, Carlos. Maria Andrea going up for the second position. Palma going up for the third. Majo staying in the fourth. And Sara Galvez going up for the fifth position. We have one final question. Can you win? Can you dethrone the king, Carlos? Or are you going to let Carlos win? Are you going to let Carlos rule you all? Let's see the question. 19 of 19. If A is a real number, then how much is A to the 0? How much is that, guys? No, teacher, I don't remember. The calculator. How much is that? How much is A to the 0? A to the 0. How much is that? Every number elevated to the 0 is 14. Yes. For the people who said no solution, you guys will be wrong. There is a solution. A to the 0. Any number to the 0 means 1. It is not 0, guys. A to the 0 is not 0. 0 will not be the solution of a power ever. And 14 people got it right. Let's see the winner. Let's see the winner. In the third position, we have Sara Galvis with 15,000 points. Follow real close with second position, Maria Jose. And the winner, the real king, the queen, Maria Andrea. Woo! You won, Maria Andrea. What? No! Amazing! What? What? Man, unbelievable! Pretty good, Maria Andrea. Pretty good. All right, guys. All right. Let's take a quick break here. I'm gonna finish the recording.